The Falcons still getting to know each other. Youth, a major factor for Bowling Green. Only 21 players on BGSU's roster are underclassmen, 12 of them being seniors. While last season served as a learning experience for head coach Scott Loeffler and his squad, the Falcons will look to build on those lessons from last year.
There's definitely been a lot more, I guess you could say chemistry, a little bit more meshing and a little confidence building within the team, being so young and all, but definitely starting to understand each other and kind of starting to trust each other, basically.
We're all prided on brotherhood and family, and we're getting there as a team, honestly. And us being so young, I kind of like it because we all can grow up and see each other mature for moments and years down the line together. So I feel like that's going to be good. That's going to be good for us as well.
The blessing in disguise was COVID, and it's terrible for our country. It was terrible for the state, terrible for our communities. But having the ability to play 5 football games, and they really didn't mean anything in terms of eligibility. We got to play a bunch of young guys, and they got to learn real quick that they need to get bigger, stronger, faster, and they got a taste of what it really looks like. So with us being so young, they still had a little bit of experience from last year. As painful, as miserable as that was, we're going to look back, and whenever we've turned this program, we're going to look back and we're going to go, thank goodness that happened.